Good morning. I am currently at work, and I'm at work early again at 6:24. But like I said the other day, I like to get to work early. So anyways, we are out of coffee, you guys. This is our coffee room. Give you guys a quick little spin so you can see. But yeah, so we are at coffee at work. Or we are out of coffee at home. It's blasphemy, I know. So I was like, shiza, I need to get to work early so I can get some coffee. And we actually have really good coffee choices. I feel like I've shown this before. And I stopped getting coffee at work because I'm only having 1 cup of coffee a day, and I've stopped drinking soda, as you guys know. So anyways, I'm gonna make myself a latte because I love these lattes. So you get the froth, and then I'm gonna do hazelnut. I love hazelnut. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because, you guys, I've been really needing coffee, so. Alondra is asleep in the car and she is snoring, and it is so cute, you guys. Listen, okay? I hope you guys could hear her snoring because, oh my god, she sounds so cute, my little baby. But anyways, it's 4:15 and I am at Cub. Mama Madi ran into Cub for me because I needed to get jalapenos for work because we're doing our Halloween work party tomorrow for whatever reason. I don't know why we just don't do it Monday since Halloween is on Monday, but yeah, that's just how intelligent we are in our department. So anyways, yeah, we're doing the Halloween party tomorrow, and they're doing a chili cook-off, and so I signed up to bring the chopped jalapenos, which I didn't know people put jalapenos in chili, but whatever, so that's what I signed up for. But yeah, but I'm excited. I get to wear my costume, so I'll actually get use out of my costume more than once. But yeah, so, oh, there she is. Well, here comes Mama Madi. I was waiting for her to come out, but alright, so we will see you guys at home. Hey guys, what's going on? It is 9:09 and I am gonna go ahead and go to bed and get Alondra to bed as well. So I've been awful at vlogging today, as you can tell, because there's only the clip from earlier, but I don't know, I've just been so tired today. I'm taking my prenatal right now. I love the Target ones. They're the gummy ones. But yeah, I'm not pregnant, but my doctor said to keep taking them since I was still breastfeeding. So I still take them since I do still nurse, and they supposedly say it's good to take them too, in general. So that's what I'm doing. And then, I don't know. So anyways, yeah, but I don't know what's going on with me today. Me and Mama Madi both were on the couch, literally sleeping, like on and off, both of us. Like Alondra would come wake me up, would come wake her up. We were both like on the couch, just knocked out since about, I don't know, like 6-ish. And then Alondra was just running around playing. She was probably loving it because nobody was telling her, don't do this, don't do that. But oh yeah, I need to get you in bed, don't I? Move the blankets here. So I was just like, you know what, well, let's get to bed, little one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her and myself to bed. Hiram's at work. He picked up a shift, so in case you guys are wondering where he was, he's at work. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. Oh, does that feel nice, Alondra? Does that feel so nice, mommies? Yeah. Want to give a kiss? Want to give a kiss? Good night? Besito. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and say goodnight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. I am sorry that today's vlog was awful, but just was feeling just really out of it and tired. So I hope you guys understand. But thank you so much for watching anyways, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.